A Life Well Eaten, where we cut the carbs and find more flavor. Hi, I'm Adam Lambay. I'm a chef and a diabetic, and I'm here to help you navigate the carb-heavy American diet with delicious, healthy, and low-carb options. All of my recipes are perfect for diabetics, low-carbers, or really anyone who just wants to eat more healthy and deliciously. Today's recipe is a simple summer corn salad. It is a big bowl of happy summer deliciousness. Let's get started. For this and more, visit us on these social media handles and find us on the web at alifewelleaten.com. All right, now the first thing that we have is 2 ears of corn that have been blanched, cooled, and then the kernels removed. It's about 2 cups or so, but we're gonna set that aside and get started on something that's a little bit more harsh, a little more of a bite, and that's our red onions. Now to that, we're gonna add the garlic, and all you really need to do is give it a quick smash, and we're gonna mince this up. Now, you could leave it a little bit more, a little chunkier if you'd like. It's not necessary to get it too fine. I'm gonna add that to the onion, and to that, I guess a little bit of a chef's secret is we're gonna add our lime juice early on and let it macerate for just a little while. Now what the lime juice is gonna do, the acidity of the lime juice is for all intents and purposes going to pickle the red onion. And that's important because it's gonna help take out some of the harshness of the red onion. Next, avocados. They are quite the mystery. Quite the mystery. Now, they're a little bit like a box of chocolates, right? You're gonna get one, you're gonna pick one, it's gonna seem like it's perfect, you're gonna bring it home, cut it open, and it's not quite right. You're not alone, happens to chefs too, I promise. What you want is you want it tender yet firm, like a peach, I guess is the best way. And then as you look at it, you really want it to be black or deep, deep brown, but not green. Green usually means it's not quite there yet. And then after that, it's crack it open and hope for the best. The moment of truth. Oh, that is a beautiful avocado. Now, I'm sure there's a gadget for this to take this, to take the seed out, but what I like to simply do is just barely strike it so that the seed sticks, and then give it a simple twist and it comes right out. You can put it on the cutting board and hit it that way, but a lot of times it will drive the seed right into the avocado, which will make it more difficult to get out, which is kind of works against you, the reason we want this. So we're gonna have 1.5 avocados. Again, we're gonna hope for our mystery to be revealed. Oh, that's another beautiful one. Easy, quick pop, give it a turn. Using a spoon, you can just simply get in here and then slide the spoon around to pop out the half. And we're gonna roughly chop it. This is why I call this a simple summer salad. All we're going to do is pour in our ingredients. We've got that. Our tomato, basil, our quickly pickled red onion and garlic, extra virgin olive oil. Now, this is really important. You want to use extra virgin olive oil because really it's the equivalent of dressing. A good olive oil is simply meant for flavor. It's not meant to cook with or fry or anything else. Just drizzle on to help season up our mix. Salt and of course pepper. Give that a mix. Set it on the table. Watch the entire family devour this. Here's to good eating, good health, and a good life. A life well eaten.